So when installing a water heater, you must install an expansion tank on the cold side of the water heater. When water heaters heat water, it expands. This device helps alleviate the stress in the water lines. This can help prevent banging pipes. Another plumbing code update is all hot water piping now in the Chicagoland area has to be protected from freezing. That polar vortex keeps coming down here to the Chicagoland area, and it has become the new norm, unfortunately. So you have to insulate all your hot water pipes to protect from freezing.